Yeah. Yeah.
Go all the way up?
As high as you can, yeah. All right, today's Saturday, October 17th, 2020. We're getting ready to get this shell and epoxy. Earlier this morning, we had it sandblasted. Mobile sandblaster came out. So we're gonna coat this entire thing. We do 2 coats on the floor and 1 inside. And then follow up with Raptor later on at some point. What you say, Bobo?
Astros are gonna win today.
Astros are gonna win Game 7 today. Yep, pretty confident. Yeah, that too. And I think, dare I say, that the Dodgers lose today. Whoa. Ooh-wee. Anyways, we'll bring y'all back once we get it all in that SPI epoxy. Alright, so here we are. We got this thing coated in the epoxy. Everything went well. When we flipped it, we did get a little bit of trash up here, but the whole thing's going to be Raptor line anyway, so that's not much of a concern. So we hit all the filler spots with one coat. We hit from the trunk all the way, the convertible tub, all the way up under the dash, and then the same thing on the bottom. Top side was 1 heavy coat, and then the bottom was 2 coats. And we ended up using a full gallon sprayable. But this thing is locked in now. Hit the firewall again just to lock in any filler work. So next up is going to be continue the body work on the sides, on the quarters. The goal for next weekend is to hopefully have the majority, if not all, of the filler work done and have this thing in super build ready for more blocking. But that's a wrap. Just a quick video this weekend. Not too much to talk about really. Guy came out, he sandblasted this thing in the driveway. Luckily the wind was blowing real hard in the opposite direction, and it all went. It didn't blow back to the house like last time. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this weekend's video. Bring you back whenever we get more work.